welcome to our first lesson in structures of modification. I'm excited to learn with you today, so let's make this a great start. Come and join me as we explore how these structures can make your writing clearer and stronger. Let's go. Imagine a plain sentence like, "The dog runs." Well, it tells you something, but it's very simple. Modifiers are what make the sentence more interesting, more detailed, and clearer. They're like the colors in a painting. They make your writing come alive. What exactly are structures of modification? Well, they are words or groups of words that give us extra information about nouns, verbs, or even other modifiers. For example, instead of just saying the dog runs, you could say the small playful dog runs quickly across the sunny yard. Or the frightened dog runs away from the noise. Or better yet, the tired old dog runs toward the gate every morning. Notice how just a few words give us a fuller picture of the dog and what it's doing? There are three main types of modifiers we'll study in this course. First, we have the adjectives, which describe nouns. Then the adverbs. They describe verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. And the phrases, which are groups of words that work together to add more detail. Each of these makes your sentences richer and more expressive. In the next video, we'll start with adjectives, the words that give your nouns color and life. Here's a quick challenge for you. Think of a simple sentence like, "The bird sings." Can you add an adjective and an adverb to make it more descriptive? Well, you can pause the video and try it. Then, in the next lesson, we'll explore adjectives and see how to do it step by step. This is Teacher Janelle, and see you in my next video. So, ta-ta for now!